Morning everyone, it's Lucy Clark from Mind Food again with the fourth in our series on the 5 ways to well-being. So yesterday we were looking at being physically active and today we're looking at being mentally active. And the subject of our little chat is keep learning. And keeping on learning is about encouraging yourself to take on new information, even if you feel like there's no room up there to put it. And actually it's easier than you think because it's about disrupting ingrained thinking patterns, and this happens at the most basic level. So every time you do something different, your brain is learning, and it's making new connections, you're noticing new things, you're getting a fresh perspective, and this happens even when you just sit on the other side of the sofa or you watch a program that you wouldn't normally watch, or if you listen to new music, or even just try a new route to the shops. It's all happening on the most basic level. But what if you want to be a bit bolder? Do you ever wish you went to university? What's to stop you discovering a subject that you have always wanted to learn? The brain has a limitless capacity for taking on information that's interesting to you. So how about thinking about what really engages you and is important to you? It could be a school subject, but frankly the whole world is yours to discover. And often we find when people come to Mind Food, to the Mind Food Gardens, they discover a place that's vibrant and green. They can hear chickens in the background, they meet friendly people from all over the world. And even if people aren't sure if gardening is going to be their thing, you can literally see them thinking, I had no idea this was here. What else might be out there? So really just to reiterate, learning doesn't have to be a bookish thing. Any discovery that you make is a chance to make new connections in the brain, and it's helping it stay active. And this is all about challenging your autopilot thinking. So you need to sense check. Are you always listening to the same old news? I mean, did you know, for example, that there's a whole website dedicated to positive news, and I'll post a link to that after this. It's very heartening stuff. Do you always listen to the same opinions? And maybe it's worth investigating things more broadly. You could have a considered view on a subject, your own view, make up your own mind. Rather than just being, handed stuff to you. And I think that can be a very positive thing. You could you could have a go at trying to take on a few words from a new language. It might help you make new connections within your community. Other things you can try would be experimenting with new ingredients and recipes. It could be about seeing what it's like to go meat-free for a week, or to avoid plastic packaging. What could you learn from this? Every time you try something new, there's a chance that it might change your world. So I would definitely recommend trying as many different things as you can. And of course, I wouldn't be here without Mind Food, and I am obviously going to shout about gardening, and that change was a bit of a revelation for me. I went into the gardening group not thinking I was even interested in nature, and within 3 weeks I decided I never wanted to work indoors ever again. And that could be the same for you. It could be that you're inspired to grow something from seed, or try regrowing your leftovers. You could see if there are better ways of growing things that you've been growing for years. I mean, gardeners have a million different ways of, they all have their own favourite ways of doing things. So how about trying somebody else's? It's all about staying alive to, or being alive to, opportunities and experiences. As they say, your mind is like a parachute. It works best when it's open. I hope you enjoyed today's chat, and if you did, if you could like us, love us, or follow us wherever you find us. And as ever, if you could share this with somebody you feel would benefit. Thanks very much. Bye.